in Puerto Rico. What is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is a reduction in the pH of the ocean, mainly caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide into the ocean. The more carbon dioxide absorbed, the more acidic the ocean is. When carbon dioxide and water combine, it creates carbonic acid. Carbonic acid then dissociates into hydrogen and a bicarbonate ion, which lowers the pH levels. As a result of higher pH, corals and shellfish have thinner shells, slower growth rates, and higher death rates. Puerto Rico. Before 2008, there was no research done on ocean acidification in Puerto Rico. The studies began by installing a buoy in La Peragua, Puerto Rico, in a coral reef location southwest of the island. These buoys collect data like the carbon dioxide in the air, the carbon dioxide in the water, salinity, chlorophyll content in the water, oxygen in the water, and the pH of the water. Ocean acidity has increased by about 25% in the past century. It is predicted that it will continue to increase unless something is done. Warming of the ocean water and ocean acidification can harm the marine ecosystem and the economic activities that depend on them in Puerto Rico. Mangroves. Studies suggest that marine ecosystems like mangroves and seagrass beds can actually help mitigate or slow down the process of ocean acidification. Unfortunately, the studies done on the mangroves in Puerto Rico show that they do help counteract the amount of carbon dioxide in the ocean, but not enough to reverse the effects that have taken place. The only way to significantly decrease the carbon dioxide levels in the ocean is to decrease the amount of carbon dioxide emissions. How it affects society. Certain types of water-related illnesses already occur in Puerto Rico, like fibrosis, which is a bacterial infection that can come from drinking infected water or eating shellfish with that bacteria. Another illness is sigorta poisoning, which comes from eating fish that have a certain type of algae. The higher ocean temperatures and the acidity of the ocean allows for these types of bacteria and algae to thrive. This is an issue because fisheries and other coastal businesses that sell shellfish or other seafood may not be able to anymore because of the growth of the bacteria and algae and its effects on the fish and other sea life around. Conclusion. Ocean acidification and ocean temperatures rising will only continue unless humans do something about it. It will continue to affect the marine life, which will in turn affect society because it will limit the resources we can get from the ocean. Studies show that mangroves and seagrass beds can possibly help with ocean acidification, but that is only part of the battle against ocean acidification. The main thing that us humans can do is decrease our greenhouse gas and CO2 emissions